Welcome to Picking Principles. I've got a bunch of locks here that I received from somebody. A couple of different mortise cylinders. This one here is a 5-pin. This one's quite a bit heavier and it's a little bit larger, as you can see. So I'm guessing that this is a 6-pin. There's certainly room for it. It's got a key, got a little bit of a click right here when I rotate it. So I'm guessing it's got those drilled pins that I've seen in other videos, like as a security feature, or if you wanted to put like a T-pin in as a driver pin so you can maybe catch the key. Anyhow, I got a 6-pin here, I'm assuming. So take a look. That's a big square cut right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they're all really wide, so they must be far apart. It's going to be interesting to pick. I got a couple of these Wiser, I'm guessing they're deadbolts. Very nice. No key. I'm assuming that they're operational, a little bit rusty, easy to take apart. And then this really cheap, wobbly, like tin knockoff. These are brass, this is like a tin. A couple of doorknobs here, I don't even know if they work. And the real gem here, I think, is this. It says ASSA Abloy right on the key, and I've heard a lot about that. It's 5-pin. So we're going to try and make this a picking video today. Use bottom of the keyway tension, as I have to spin these left normally. I find that it's a lot easier for me to do that with bottom of the keyway. I'm going to hold it, let's see, I'm going to hold it like this to try to open it up so we can see what's going on, and let's try and pick this. Nothing on 1. 2 is free. Nothing on 3, it's springy. 4 is really low. Push 4 up. And 5 is also really low. There we go, just got under it. And big click out of 5. Go back to the beginning. Nothing on 1. 2 feels like it's close. Oh, 3. Nope, nothing there. Tiny. I can feel 4. It feels like it's binding quite a bit. Pushing. It's just rubbing. I think I just overset 4. Let me check 1. Nothing there. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. Let me counter rotate that a little bit. There, I got a little click. Maybe we just let 4 drop. 1. Oh. I just heard a little click. Something else must have fallen. I must have let tension go. 2. 3 is really low. Having trouble getting under it. There we go. There. Nope. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I accidentally hit 4 again. Let me drop 4. There. 1 springy. 2, 3's low right now. Let's see if I can get under it. Release a little bit of tension to let me get under that pin. There we go. And we got it. 3 opened it up. Okay, that was kind of tough. So while we're here, let's see if we can open this up. So, push that little pin. There we go. Well, this shouldn't be that difficult. There. Didn't get it far enough. Well, I definitely am going to need a different tool if I'm going to continue to do this. All right. Take that little end cap. Oh, let's get the key in there. Little hole in that. I wonder, I'll bet you since I was rotating that left. Oh, there's the little pin. I wonder if this determines anything, if you set it, that little hole there. Let's get a follower. And take this apart, see what's inside. So I'm kind of hoping, after watching some other videos of ASSA locks in the past, I'm hoping that some of these are going to be security pins. I've never picked anything with security pin yet. I haven't bothered to repin anything with a security pin. I got lucky there. Less talking and more paying attention, I guess. So, let's dump these key pins first. There's one, standard. They're not coming out. 2, 3, 4. Whoa! 4 is huge. And 5. Arrange these up really quickly, hopefully. This video is probably getting pretty long. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a key pin that long. You know, in all of the, 10 locks I've taken apart so far in my lock picking journey. Alright, let's take a look now at these drivers. You know what, I'm going to try to open it this way. See what happens. Okay, pin 1 is standard. Driver pin 2 is small and standard. Pin 3, standard. I'm not even sure you can call this a pin. 4 is like a nub. And 5, well, they all look standard. Let's get you in there so you can take a look. And we'll look at the key as well. Oh yeah, pretty extreme bitting on number 4 there. Let's see if we can bring it in. I think that's the best I'm going to be able to do right now. So, here, why don't I just bring them up then? So we can see all standard pins. Pin 4 is very long, pin 3 is pretty short. And then to accommodate, I assume, the fact that pin 4 is really long, we've got this tiny little driver pin in pin stack 4. The others are normal looking size, nothing special looking about any of them. But I did notice that I did overset pin 4 a couple times. So when it's in its rest position, it must be awfully close to the shear line. Anyhow, thank you for watching Picking Principles. If you like what you see, please subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much and have a great day.